Welcome to another IFS Cloud Friday function. And in this session, I'm going to talk through the options that we have with changing the appearance of IFS to meet your company's color themes and increase user adoption of the application. So I'm going to change three options here. I'm going to change my app bar logo. So I'm going to put a logo in the top here. I'm going to change the left-hand side here, this bookmarks bar, and I'm going to change what this says because welcome to IFS Cloud is not really specific enough for what I want. So first of all, I need to go into appearance configuration. So I use my bookmarks to go and do that. Okay, I'm now going to add my logo, change my welcome text, and change the color of my bookmarks bar. So a new record in here, properties. I can use what I've used previously in these lists, or I can filter from my pre-saved list of favorites. My app bar logo is in there. It's going to let me pick from the resources that I have in the application. This could be images, but fonts as well, so you can change the font. I'm going to change my welcome text. So if I change my welcome message text here to is great. And we'll also change the color of that bookmark bar. So filter from my favorites, pick my color. And what you want here is the hex color reference that you can get from a marketing department or from a color picker online. In this instance, I'm going to pick our Anthesis Royal Blue. Now I need to add that to my users and make sure that this is published. So into context mapping we go. Change that. So we've got user equals IFS app. Because both of these are currently unpublished, it will only pick the published option, which is my new one. And now I'm going to log out and log back in so you can see the difference. So here we are. I've logged out. I've logged back in just as a user would. And I can see on the left-hand side, my bookmarks bar is now our lovely royal blue. I've got the Anthesis logo in the header, and I've changed my welcome text. There's a great number of options here in terms of what you can change. So have a play around on your own system and get it to a point where you think that your users will love IFS Cloud.